Number 5. The Ecovacs WINBOT W1 Pro is a cutting-edge window cleaning robot designed to bring effortless sparkle to every pane it touches, combining advanced technology with sleek, practical design. Engineered for both safety and performance, this intelligent robot uses a unique suction system to cling securely to glass surfaces while navigating corners and edges with precision, ensuring a streak-free finish every time. Equipped with smart sensors, it maps out the surface area, detects obstacles, and adapts its cleaning path for optimal efficiency, while its high-quality microfiber cleaning pads effectively remove dust, grime, and fingerprints without scratching delicate glass. The WINBOT W1 Pro also offers versatile usability, capable of handling large windows, glass doors, and even challenging outdoor panes, all while operating quietly in the background. Its user-friendly interface allows effortless control through a simple remote or app, giving users full command over the cleaning process, including start, pause, and targeted spot cleaning. Number 4. The Mamibot W120 DP Window Cleaning Robot is a state-of-the-art solution designed to make window maintenance effortless and highly efficient, combining smart technology with practical design. It uses powerful suction to adhere firmly to glass surfaces, ensuring safety while navigating even vertical or large windows with precision. Equipped with intelligent sensors, the W120 DP maps the surface, detects edges and obstacles, and plans an optimized cleaning path for thorough coverage without missing spots. Its high-quality microfiber pads and dual cleaning modes remove dust, smudges, and stubborn stains while leaving a streak-free finish, making every window look spotless. The robot operates quietly, allowing it to clean without disturbing your daily activities, and offers convenient remote or app control, giving users the ability to start, pause, or direct the robot to specific areas effortlessly. Compact, sleek, and reliable, the Mamibot W120 DP transforms the often tedious task of window cleaning into a seamless, automated experience, perfect for homes, offices, and large glass surfaces alike. Number 3. The Hobot 298 Window Cleaning Automatic Robot is a highly advanced device engineered to take the effort out of keeping windows spotless, blending innovative technology with reliable performance. This smart robot adheres securely to glass surfaces using a strong vacuum suction system, allowing it to clean safely on vertical and even hard-to-reach windows. Its intelligent navigation system maps the window surface, detects edges, and avoids obstacles while following a precise cleaning pattern, ensuring no spot is left untouched. Equipped with high-quality microfiber pads, it efficiently removes dust, fingerprints, and stubborn grime, leaving a streak-free and polished finish. The Hobot 298 operates quietly, minimizing disruption while performing its task, and its user-friendly interface enables seamless control via remote or app, including features like start, pause, and spot cleaning mode. With its sleek design, efficient automation, and safety-focused features, the Hobot 298 transforms window cleaning from a time-consuming chore into a fast, effortless, and professional-quality experience for both residential and commercial spaces. Number 2. The Mamibot W120 TAI Window Cleaner is a next-generation cleaning robot designed to deliver effortless, professional-quality window care with advanced intelligence and precision. Utilizing a powerful suction system, it clings securely to glass surfaces, allowing it to navigate vertical and large windows safely while maintaining stability at all times. Its AI-driven navigation technology maps each window, detects edges and obstacles, and calculates the most efficient cleaning path to ensure complete coverage without missing a single spot. Equipped with high-performance microfiber cleaning pads, the W120T effectively lifts dust, smudges, and stubborn dirt, leaving a streak-free, polished finish on every pane. The robot operates quietly, allowing it to work unobtrusively in homes or offices, and offers intuitive control through a remote or mobile app, enabling easy start, pause, or targeted spot cleaning. Compact, sleek, and built with advanced safety features, the Mamibot W120 TAI transforms traditional window cleaning into a fully automated, effortless experience, making sparkling windows a reality with minimal effort. Number 1. The Ecovacs WINBOT W2 Pro Omni Portable Window Cleaning Robot represents the next evolution in automated window care, combining versatile performance with intelligent design to make cleaning all types of glass effortless. With its powerful, adaptive suction system, it adheres securely to windows while moving smoothly across surfaces, effortlessly handling vertical panes, large glass doors, and even frameless designs. Advanced sensors and smart navigation enable the WINBOT W2 Pro Omni to scan the window, intelligently plan the most efficient cleaning path, and avoid obstacles, ensuring thorough coverage from edge to edge. Its high-quality cleaning pads and precision wiping mechanisms work together to lift dirt, dust, smudges, and fingerprints, delivering a streak-free, polished finish every time. Designed for convenience, it offers intuitive control through a dedicated remote or mobile app, allowing users to start, pause, or direct targeted cleaning with ease. Quiet in operation and robust in performance, the Ecovacs WINBOT W2 Pro Omni Portable transforms a traditionally tedious chore into a seamless, automated experience, making crystal-clear windows simple to achieve in homes or commercial spaces alike.